Hey there guys, welcome again. I'm sorry ki no, I know it's been a while, but today it's a very special day because I have got with me the OnePlus 7, not the Pro. I will explain you in a while ki why not the Pro and only the 7. So I've got the 7 with me. I'm going to unbox it today and give you a first look of the device, of the retail unit, of what the company distributes, of the original Indian retail unit. So let's get started. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading ever since because exams and all, boards. Okay, I hope you understand. But now, if you have stumbled upon this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Consider subscribing to this channel. If you want, you can take a look at my other videos. I prefer not to, but uh, you might wanna take a look. Please subscribe to this channel, and more videos will be coming up in the coming weeks. That means I will be uploading weekly from now. So please subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification, and like, comment, and share whatever you wanna do. If you like this video, okay, it's completely your choice. If you like this video, you can like, comment, and share. And if this video gets I'm going to do a OnePlus 7 review, detailed review, after a month. I mean, more videos will be coming for following after that, but after a month I will be reviewing this device, full nitpicking the camera, the display, the processor, the gaming, everything. And if I get 1,000 likes on this video, I know it's a bit much to expect, but if I get 1,000 likes on this video, I will do a waterproof test of this device. I mean, that is the only phone I've got, and yeah, I've got to take that chance. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the OnePlus 7 box with me, and opening, I have, as you can see, I have not opened the sticker yet because if I had messed up the first time, then it would not really be an unboxing. So I will unbox this now. I'll break the seal. This is the most satisfying moment of my life. Now, breaking of the seal, first I would like to show you what variant this is. As you can see, this is the 33,000, the base variant, which is the 6 GB RAM and the 128 GB internal storage HD option. And this is in mirror gray color because that's the only color available, and frankly I like the mirror gray color more than normal lava red color. So first opening of the box, here is a OnePlus community welcome thing that I am a part of the OnePlus community. I hope there are no seals. Okay, there are no seals on this one, so I will just slide this box. You know, OnePlus's slide drop pop thing. So the box was pretty heavy, and opening this, we have first some paperwork, and we also get rubber silicone transparent case with this, and we get some paperwork. I hope they give the stickers. Yeah, they give the stickers here. There's a SIM ejector tool. Here we have a OnePlus poster, go beyond speed. That's the OnePlus logo and all the things that what they are. So I actually know what they are, so that's not really a problem. uh, we have the plastic recycling, some stuff, and these are the normal paperwork which are boring anyway. uh, okay, so this is the main device that we have. We will slide this up. No, this is the real way to open it. Yeah, okay. So there is some sort of pre-applied screen protector or scratch guard applied. and this looks absolutely stunning. I will put up the case right away so that uh, it don't it doesn't get any smudges. I will try to boot this up. I hope it got some juice. It has some juice, so I will keep it at the side here, and right away the display looks pretty nice. And here is a welcome letter by Pete Lau, the CEO and founder of OnePlus. This is the letter by Pete Lau. Coming back to the box, uh, we have the red braided type C cable. I don't want to tear this thing up, so I will tear this thing up. That's not a problem, right? Okay, so we have the type C a red type C cable, the classic OnePlus. And right away when I hold the cable, this cable is pretty nice, good quality cable, and some sort of protectors pre-applied. Here we have the dash 20-watt dash charger that we got with the OnePlus 6T, I believe, and with the OnePlus 7 Pro we get a 30-watt warp charger. Okay, so that's not a big deal because this phone has a lower battery, so it can charge pretty fast. Okay, so the phone has booted up, and I will set things up. I'll quickly set this thing up, install all my apps, install everything, transfer my data, and I'll be right back. So I've been using this device for a while now, and I have installed it to my liking, whatever I liked and whatever I use, whatever apps I use. And after that all the apps that I've installed, I have used about 29 GB of space, and about 99 GB is left. So I have installed PUBG Mobile, I've installed Instagram, I've installed Snapchat, I've installed Spotify, I've installed WhatsApp, I've installed many more apps that I use daily. But this device feels so snappy, so crisp. I mean, I always wanted a device that fits well in my hand, a really compact device, uh, a device that can handle my day-to-day life, day-to-day work. And most of all, I play PUBG, so I wanted a device to play PUBG also. Uh, and man, oh man, this device handles PUBG like a pro. I have been using this device, as I said, for about a day, 24 hours now, and this device, I don't like the upper part of the notch, so I've hid it. There's a setting in the settings app where you can change this, and I like this device so far. The speaker is great, the screen is great, these curves allow you to hold onto this device, provide a better grip. And like the previous generations of OnePlus phones, the 60, the 5, and so on, this device, the OnePlus 7 and the 7 Pro, does not attract fingerprint. I mean, the back is not a fingerprint magnet. Moreover, I dropped the phone twice already, and it survived. I mean, yeah, it's good as new, but it has survived. And at the front it has a Gorilla Glass 5, at the back it has a Gorilla Glass 6. Maybe because it has to look better, right? So one more thing that I have noticed is that, means I have set up both the fingerprint and the face unlock, but I saw myself using only the face unlock most of the times because mm, whether it be dark situation, any situation, the face unlocks just unlocks your phone in an instant. I mean, if you can see this, then just that I just need to press the power button and it just unlocks. So it's so fast. And fingerprint unlock, I most of the times I did not use, but then it is also very fast. You can see just that it might be not as fast as the previous generation capacitive fingerprint scanner, but this is a under display fingerprint scanner that uses lights to scan your finger. I really hope OnePlus could have used the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that is used in the S10 Plus and the S10. Yeah, but that also would have been costed a lot more. So still the fingerprint scanner is fast, as you can see. Just I need to just place the finger, the animation, just the animation delay that is there, just the animation goes around and I unlock the phone. And I told you that OnePlus 7 Pro, why I did not go for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So here it is. The OnePlus 7 Pro, when I held it in my hand and I used it for a while, the OnePlus 7 Pro seemed a bit heavier, seemed a bit larger to my liking. I told you I do not like large devices, but still this is the perfect fit for a two-hand use. But the OnePlus 7 Pro was too big for me, and because of the pop-out selfie camera that is there, I don't have any issues with that, but that makes the device heavier because inside of that here they have a motorized metal moving part that is there, which makes it heavier. So I did not like that device, but if you like it, then you should go for it. And both the screens are absolutely stunning. So my last thing for this device, should you go for it or not? Yes, you should definitely go for it. You should go for the OnePlus 7 Pro if you have the money. If you like it, you should definitely go for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Which color should you go for? For the OnePlus 7 Pro, you should go for the Nebula blue color. And for the OnePlus 7, you should go for the mirror grey variant. Whichever variant you are going for, the 6GB RAM or the 8GB RAM, 6GB 128GB or the 8GB 256GB, whichever variant you are going for, you should go for the mirror grey variant, because the mirror grey is more like, I mean, it looks better. I mean, after a while the lava red becomes boring kind of. I don't want to say boring, but yeah, kind of. So you might not want to go for lava red, but if you go ahead to a OnePlus experience store, if you see the lava red, if you like it, you should definitely go for it. And if you have 30,000 rupees in your bag, in your wallet, in your pocket, then you should go for the OnePlus 7. And also, if you like the OnePlus 7 and its thing, I have one more suggestion for you. If you like the internal specs, if you like this device, and if you want a similar device with the same specs, but you don't want to miss out the 3.5mm audio jack, headphone jack, whatever you say, then you should wait a while, maybe 15 days or 20 days. Then you can get your hands on the Redmi K20 Pro that is gonna come out later this month. So you can go for, these are the two devices within the 30,000 range that's gonna steal the market. Okay, I bought OnePlus because I like the alert slider that is there. I like the Oxygen OS that OnePlus integrates into its devices, and there's a brand value for OnePlus, right? There is better service. I mean, I have collected so many goodies and magazines and bottles from OnePlus since I have been planning to buy this device. I've been so excited for this device, and now it is in my hands. Uh, that is why I went for the OnePlus. It really values your customers. It listens to what they need. Accordingly, they push updates, and hopefully, it will be it will receive more updates in the near future. And also, yeah, there are 3 years of Android updates, and there are 5 years of security updates promised by OnePlus. So that's really great. I mean, there's a long term use you are going for, and they definitely want you to upgrade. If you have the 6 or the 60, the 7 will not be much of an upgrade, but you can upgrade it if you like. Thank you for watching so much. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. And if you were longing to buy the OnePlus 7, please go ahead. I won't hold you back. If you even if you like compact phones, if you will love this device because it fits in your hand perfectly because of these curved edges that are there. I have been means I have क्या बोलूं हाँ I need to just place my fingers. Yeah, it's not as fussy. Yeah, it is not as fast as a capacitive fingerprint scanner. Okay, you fucked it up.